Hey guys, and welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday episode here on Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your computer look a ton cooler by installing custom third-party themes on your computer to make them look awesome. So I received a ton of comments asking me how to do this when I uploaded my last tutorial. You guys could see that the windows were a little bit more transparent, stuff you don't normally see in Windows 8 with its more opaque sort of look. So I'm going to show you guys just how to do what I did to my computer to make it look a lot more kind of Windows Aero, Windows 7 looking, and show you guys just what it takes to install custom themes right onto your computer. So for this tutorial, we don't need anything fancy. All we need is a computer and just a little bit of time to figure out how to do this thing. We're going to be using all free software for this tutorial, so you don't need any fancy software or anything like that. Everything in this tutorial is going to be easy to follow and all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and jump right into the computer and I'll show you guys just how to accomplish this.
Alright guys, so here we are with the normal Windows 8.1 look. Windows 8, all the same difference, 8.1, same look. You'll notice that all the windows kind of look a little bit more opaque, non-see-through, compared to Windows 7 where everything is kind of transparent and glassy looking. So our job is to theme our Windows experience to make it look a little bit more like Windows 7 or whatever you may want it to look like. So you'll notice that if we go and right click on our desktop and go to personalize, we'll be brought to this personalization menu, and you'll see that I'll have a whole bunch of custom themes down here actually, and these have been ones that I have installed through the method that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. And these themes will give it more of a Windows 7 sort of look, and you'll see what I mean in a second here. You'll see that everything kind of looks a little bit more transparent and stuff like that. Now that's just one of the themes. There's lots of other themes that I have on here that will kind of sell the effect a little bit more, make it look a little bit more times like Windows 7. But maybe that's not what I'm going for. Maybe I just want it to look cool like how it does now, and I'm satisfied with how it looks. So this is going to be a full tutorial on customization and theming, and you can do whatever the heck you want with it. So I'm going to go back to what theme I was running before, and we'll go ahead and start from square one, and I'll show you guys just how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my web browser, and I'm going to go to this link right here. It'll be in the description, and this is a link to the deviantart section for visual styles for Windows 8. You can do it for Windows 7 as well. You'll just need to back up a little bit here to where it has Windows 8 utilities. You just go up one level and select Windows 7 utilities and follow the same sort of steps. You want to sort it by popular all time, so that way you have the most popular ones up top here. And you can navigate to this yourself and do it manually, or you could just go down in the description and click this link I have right here. So anyways, you'll see a whole bunch of themes here, and this is where your kind of own preference comes into play. You can pick whichever one you like. I've spent a long time looking at like all the different sort of themes and finding ones that I like. There's a lot that kind of make it look a little bit like Linux. There's one here that makes it look like Steam. Just a whole wide range of selection, and this is really where you get to pick what you really like. And of course you can hit show more, and then there's lots and lots of themes. There's so many, so you'll have no shortage of themage for you guys to find and explore and stuff. You can go absolutely crazy on this, but for this tutorial I'm going to show you just how to achieve the look that I've had in my past few videos, where it kind of looks like Windows 7 but maybe a little bit different, kind of cleaner. And I am using a theme called Clean VS for 8.1. This link will also be down in the description. So Clean, it just kind of gives it kind of this nice look. You have the big red X button that kind of gives it Windows 7 look, and you know, have these forward and back buttons right over here that look really nice. So overall, a really nice theme, and one that I am going to recommend in this tutorial. If you don't know which one you want, or there's just too many to pick, this will be my recommendation. And so to install this, first thing you want to do is always read the instructions. No matter how experienced you are never too experienced for instructions, manuals, you name it. Always read them if it's some new territory that you've never been in. So I'm going to go ahead and read these. You want to create a restore point. That is important in case something goes wrong. You install the patcher, which allows you to do third-party skins, and something goes wrong. then you want a restore point, and to do that you basically go to your start menu and you type in restore point, and once you hit restore point, you go ahead and click create a restore point, and you'll go ahead and click create right here, and you'll name it theme or before theme, and then go ahead and click create, and it'll create a restore point. So if anything goes wrong, you can open up system restore and you can go ahead and restore back to this restore point so you don't mess anything up. That won't stop you from catastrophic events, however it is good to have in case something small goes wrong. Next up, you want to patch your system files using Ultra UX Theme Patcher. Now this is going to make it so that your computer is going to allow itself to run third-party themes. Normally it won't, and it won't look right. So you want to patch your system. Quick note, I'm not responsible for anything that might go wrong during this whole thing. The patcher is very, very safe, and I'm not saying things will go wrong. I'm just saying if it does, don't blame me. This is just for educational, yada yada, stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up in a new tab, and this is the Ultra UX Theme Patcher. We're gonna go up here and we're gonna scroll down to download. We're gonna click download Ultra UX Theme Patcher, and we'll just go down right here and you'll open it up and install it as normal. Click next, I agree, next, I agree, and then it'll install. I'm not gonna do it again because I've already installed it. I don't want anything to be messed up, and I'm gonna go ahead and click cancel because I've already installed it. You'd follow through with the installation and you finish it and all that good stuff. So you can go ahead and close those pages now. Now that you have the Ultra UX Theme Patcher installed, you can also install these optional ones. Old New Explorer is kind of optional. You can do it if you want. You can actually open up the page and kind of read what it does yourself. I personally like the Windows 8.1 sort of Explorer look, and some of you guys may not. So if you want to get rid of it, you would install Old New Explorer, and that will make it look a little bit more like Windows 7. I, for one, don't really have an objection with it. I kind of like the Windows 8 Explorer look, so I'm going to keep it, and I'm not going to install Old New Explorer. Up next is Aero Glass. Now this is very important because it's going to give your kind of your upper bar right here the transparent sort of Windows 7 look. So you're going to want to go ahead and open this up in a new tab, and then go right here where it says download for Windows 8.1 Plus. If you're on Windows 8, you can go ahead and click download for Windows 8. And once you do that, you'll basically grab the download, you'll install it like normal. I'm just going to go through the first few steps here. I'm not going to reinstall it because I have already done that. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes. And then I'm going to follow through with as much as I can. I'm going to do all that. And install Shiny Atlas resource. Do not check that if you are using your own custom theme. It'll override it, so uncheck that because we're installing our own theme. And then protect Aero Glass by adjusting access permissions. Go ahead and check that, and then you go next, and then you'd click install and then finish through with install. I've already done it like before, so I'm not going to install it a second time. So there we go, we have all the prerequisites installed, and now all we have to do is download the actual theme up here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. I'm not going to do a quick survey. Nope. I'm going to X out of that, and it should be downloading. Let's try that again. There we go, I just had to click it again. I've never seen DeviantArt do a survey before, but I guess there it is. Just X out of it if it asks you to do that. And you'll see that we have actually not a zip file, a RAR file. So you are going to need WinRAR, WinRAR. It's a free program. So you can use that to open up this zip, or excuse me, you can use it to open up this RAR file, and then your theme will be inside. You'll just drag out your theme onto anywhere like your desktop. And now that you've done that, you'll just open it up, and you'll see that we have two versions. We have one that gives you a command bar and one that has no command bar. I'm going to go to the one that has no command bar, and I'm going to select both of these, and I'm going to copy them. Next up, you're going to go to this path right here, See Windows Resources Themes. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this little path right here, and that way we can navigate to it without doing folder by folder manually and trying to find it, we can actually just go up here and paste it right in, and we'll go to right where we need to be. Now that got rid of our paste selections, so we just need to go back and grab those and copy them yet again, and then we'll go forward, and then yeah, we'll just paste them right here. I'm not going to do it because I already have it, and it'll be pasted right here. And now all you have to do is right click your desktop again, go to personalize, and then your theme should show up right here. It'll say clean 8.1. Go ahead and click on it, and it'll say please wait. And once it loads up, you'll be greeted with your theme, and it should be fully functional. Everything looks nice. It should look how you need it to look. If it doesn't look like it should, then you probably didn't install the patcher or something went wrong. Go ahead and install your patcher again, or uninstall and reinstall the patcher, and then try it again. If that still doesn't work, you might have not installed any of the other stuff. So just make sure that you've followed all these steps to the T, and everything should work out simply and nice. And now you have a nice theme on Windows 8 to make it look a little bit more like Windows 7, a little bit cooler, and you can of course go crazy and install all the different themes that are on this page, and you can look at them and follow instructions. They're all very simple to kind of read and follow with. They'll all kind of lay it out, instructions. Yeah, some will lead to a different page where you look at the instructions, all that jazz. Some will have custom icons, different programs needed to be installed. But you know, that's for you to experiment around with. Every single theme is different. I can't cover all of them, but I just thought I'd show you how to do the one that I have, because that's what you guys were asking about. So that's that. Hopefully this helped you customize your computer just a little bit, and yeah.
So hopefully you guys found this tutorial very useful. Hopefully your computers look a lot cooler during the process and all that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like down below. It shows me that you guys care and you like this tutorial. Also, if you found it useful, chances are your friend will find it useful too. So go ahead and share this video with your friend, all the good stuff. Sharing is caring. And yeah, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe for more weekly tutorials. We upload tutorials every Tuesday here on here. So yeah, subscribe to be notified when we do, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take it easy, guys. Peace out.